Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So to do that, let's head over to a TikTok application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile. Now head over to the three lines icon on the top right or the menu and go to settings and privacy. And here go to account, and here you will find the option of to deactivate or delete. And here tap on delete account permanently and select the reason you want to delete your account and tap on continue. And here if you want to download any information or TikTok data, you can download it via because download and checkmark it, and by continuing you reviewed your data request and you wish to continue deleting your account. So tap on continue, and here you have to tap on continue and then give your TikTok account's password, and then your account will be deleted. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.